Hey guys, it's Robin White. I'm the owner of Time to Task and a WordPress website designer. And today I'd like to show you how to set the readings settings in your WordPress dashboard. So let's go over to settings and we'll select reading. And that will take us into an area where a lot of it has to do with your blog posts. So if you aren't actually writing blog posts, you can ignore quite a bit of this. But I would say the most important thing that you're going to want to set very early on in your design process is how your homepage displays. And you have two options here. One is you can show your latest blog posts, and the second is you can choose a static page. That is generally what most people would like for their homepage. So let's go here and click the box next to a static page. And then what you do is select the drop-down menu next to homepage, and that will bring up the different pages that you've already created. I would like to choose home as my static home page. So I'm going to click on that. And then if you have a blog, you can select that page for where your posts go. Right now, I have not created a blog page yet, so I don't have anything to select to put there. But if I did, I would select, for example, blog and add that here. And then I would go down and configure the rest of the blog settings. So for example, how many posts do you want to show up on your blog page? The default is 10. Same with how many show up in your most recent syndication feed, but you can change that to 5 or 20, depending on what you'd like. For each post in the feed, you can decide whether you'd like to show the full text or a summary. I generally select summary, and then visitors to my site can click a read more link to actually go to the full blog post. One last thing that's included here is search engine visibility. And you actually have the option to click this box and discourage search engines from indexing your site. And sometimes when you're in the design and development phase, that's something that people do like to check off so that Google isn't indexing their site and showing it to people in searches. If you do click that, the one thing you want to remember to do is when you're ready for your site to go live, you want to make sure you unclick that so that Google does actually index your site. And once you're happy with all of the selections that you've made here, you'll want to go down to this blue box where it says Save Changes and click on that so that everything that you've selected will be saved, and then you're good to go. Your reading settings have been configured. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, I'd love it if you could click subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.